The power of healthy eating. Tired of feeling sluggish? Discover how healthy eating can transform your life. Healthy foods are fuel. Think of fruits, vegetables, and whole grains as premium gasoline for your body. They provide sustained energy, keeping you active and focused throughout the day. What you eat directly impacts your brain. Nutrients like omega-3 fatty acids and antioxidants found in healthy foods can improve memory, concentration, and overall cognitive function, fuel your brain power. A healthy diet is your body's best defense. Vitamins and minerals from fruits and vegetables boost your immune system, helping you fight off illness and stay healthy year-round. Eating healthy isn't about dieting, it's about nourishing your body. By choosing whole, unprocessed foods, you can naturally regulate your weight and feel confident in your own skin. Investing in your health today pays off big time tomorrow.